Hi everyone, my name is Julia. I am a family lifestyle blogger at thequietgrove.com, and I'm really excited to be here with you today. I'm doing a whole series of sublimation videos to help people get started with sublimation, and today we are talking about what can I make with sublimation. So the answer is you can make so many different things. All these things up here I have done with sublimation. Actually, I've done all these things to date with sublimation. So you can do so many projects in such a short period of time. These are only a small sample of things, but let's give you some ideas. I don't have up here, but I've done sublimated shirts before. You can do sweatshirts and hats and socks. You can do mugs. This is a Cricut mug blank. They promoted it with their Cricut mug press and their infusible inks, which is Cricut's version of sublimation. So you can do mugs. There are tons of different sublimation mugs available on the market, different sizes, different colors. You can do cozies for your drinks. How fun is that? We made those today. You can do coasters. Coasters come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. They have round coasters, they have car coasters. These are Cricut square coasters that have a nice little corkboard back. You can do pop sockets for your phone. These are great for promotional gifts and items, or little fun little gifts to give. You can do puzzles. How cute are these puzzles that I made today? This is Cinderella's castle that we took the picture on our last trip at Disneyland, and this is a picture of my family that was taken a couple weeks ago. These also make for great gifts. You can do, how cute is this pillowcase? It is one of those sequin mermaid pillowcases where it's a nice, gorgeous silver on one side, and you can sublimate your design on the other. You can get these in different colors. Other things I've seen online that you can make is they have eye masks, face masks, hats, that you can get tumblers and jar mugs. You can do earrings, mouse pads. I mean, you can sublimate so many different things. The key is you just need to make sure you do your sublimation with official sublimation blanks. Like when you're doing with fabric materials, you can get away with just going with any fabric material that is high polyester count, because it's that synthetic fibers that lock in the color. But if you're going to do non-fabric things like mugs or coasters or puzzles or cozies or anything like that, you need to make sure that they are official sublimation blanks, because they need to be coated with a thin polymer coating that locks in the sublimation dyes, the inks, when you do the heating process. So again, there's so many different fun projects that you can do, things that you can do as a hobby, for gifts, or for your own home, or things that you can do and sell for a small business. I've even seen sublimation little metal business cards, which is so cool because you can get those vivid colors on there, but now they're waterproof. So if somebody spills something on your business card, or drops it, or spills water on, it's still good where all the others would be messed up. So really the sky's the limit. They're always coming out with more sublimation blanks available for you to do projects with. Just have fun. I will link below some of my favorite sublimation blanks, as well as the tutorials that I've been doing, and how to convert Epson Tank, EcoTank printer to a sublimation printer using sublimation ink, so it's a lot more affordable than having to buy an official sublimation printer. If you found this video helpful, I do invite you to like and subscribe so you can be kept informed of future videos with tips, inspiration, and more from my neck of the woods.